video, we learned how we can use class methods as elective methods, elective construction. In some cases, we have data in a certain format, and in that case, if we pass data to a constructor is a wrong format, so in then definitely it throw error. Okay, so we first have to do parsing and then to pass data to constructor. We can solve this problem by using class methods as elective constructors. How I tell you in this video. Let's move to the computer screen and let's get started. So, class method as elective constructor. In object-oriented programming, the term constructor refers to special type of method that is automatically executed when an object is created from a class. The purpose of a constructor is to initialize the object attributes, allowing the object to be fully functional and ready to use. However, there are times when you may want to create an object in a different way or with different initial values than what is provided by a different constructor. This is where class method can be used as elective constructors. A class method belongs to the class rather than to an instance of the class. One common use case for class methods as elective constructors and when you want to create an object from data that is stored in a different format such as a string or a dictionary. For example, consider a class named person that has two attributes, name and age. The default constructor for a class might look like this. So now I will tell you how it look like this. Like here when you write like class person, enter, and here you will write like def init, and when you will be write like self comma name comma age, and when you will be write like that. So when you will be go down here, you write like self dot name and name self dot a slash age, and when you write like that, when it is but what if you want to create a person object from a string that contains a person name and age separate by a comma? You can define a class method name from a string to do this. Okay, so if I will be write like that and now you can create a person object from a string like this, like like this. I will be tell you how, like this. Okay, another common use case for a class methods as elective constructor is when you want to create an object with a different set of default values than what is provided by the default constructor. For example, consider a class name rectangle that has two attributes, width and height. The default constructor for the class might look like this. I will tell you how it look like this. It look like this. Okay, but if you want to create a rectangle object with a default width of 10 and the default height of 5, you can define a class method name square to do this. Okay, now you can create a square rectangle like this. I will tell you how you can create. Like here you will write like rectangle, and then you will write like that, and then you will go down and right look like this, and here you will see it. If you I will be zoom it, so here it is build a one beautiful rectangle. Like I will be copy it like that, and sorry, here I will go up, and here you will see it is coming like that easily. Yes, and when I will be erase it all things, and yeah, here it is coming like that, like person, age, employee. It is a very easy class method and elective, like Harry 12,000 John 12 John Dewey 30. I will, how it will come, we will be make a class methods and elective construction, both of them mix it, and it will build like class employee is shell name salary, like I will tell you class methods in previous class. Okay, and you will remain like this, and you will be change your name also. Here I will be of employee, here I will be, and you will be change a salary also, like that. And when you will be run, so it will coming like that. Here you can see it, it is very easy. So I hope you can understand what the class method as elective constructors. Okay, and if you enjoy this video, so please like that, share, friend, and subscribe to my channel. And please search on YouTube code with PK. And when you will be search it, so go to the here, you will be subscribe it and all the notification bell, and then you will be go to the playlist, and then you will be go to my playlist, and when you will be go here, and what you do here is please like this video my, and share it from here, and subscribe it, and comment down, and please bookmark my playlist. I will be bookmark my playlist, and please see first video to 70 video. We will become 70 video on Python. It is our very achievement. We will be do 1 to 70 video. Okay, 70 video, we will be done it. So please access this playlist and bookmark it. So I hope you can enjoy this class, enjoy, like this video, share your friend, and subscribe to my channel. So I will be meet you in next class, and next very amazing class. This is day 70, so the next video is day 71. So I will be meet you in next class of Python in very soon. And okay, so for today, goodbye.